Hello, my name is Nick Mowry, and what follows is a brief summary of my master's project for the Spatial Information Science and Engineering program at the University of Maine, Orono. Titled Agricultural Labor Tracking for Small Farms, the intent of this project was to develop a piece of software that would enable small farms with limited resources the ability to track labor on the farm using GPS data gathered by the employees. The solution needed to be inexpensive, easy to use, and of course provide accurate data. It also needed to be reasonably indifferent to the hardware used to gather the GPS data and customizable to suit the needs of the farmer. Data for this project has come from the student farmers working on the University of Maine's Rogers Farm. Thank you to Dr. Eric Gallant and his team for taking time to capture the data required to make this possible. To gather this data, student employees on Rogers Farm used handheld GPS devices made by Bad Elf and wearables made by Garmin. This data was uploaded from the respective devices and processed into useful measures by the Time Tracker application for location data storage in a MySQL server. These data were also compared against user-defined plots to create contiguous segments of time and location data co-located within the user-defined agricultural plots. The entire project initially revolved around discrete point data parsed from several iterations of the KLM storage schema. After several iterations, the segments produced from these points by the software then became the basis for on-demand inquiries. Here are the basic components of a labor report generated by the Time Tracker software and formatted using Google Charts. This was a quick and effective way to present the user's data interactively and in standardized format. Here's the software in use. The user can import plots, which are derived from GPS measurements, name them, and assign them a crop type. The user can then import work paths, assign them to an employee. With these locations in the database, the user can then select a time frame and customize a report based on the corresponding MySQL query generated by the Time Tracker software. Here we have the generated report with a timestamp, table, pie chart, composite bar chart, and capture of the user's plot and coincident path segment points rendered on a satellite image of the farm. As you can see, the graphs are all interactive to a certain degree, and this is all provided by the functionality in Google Charts. This exciting and challenging project, while only a proof of concept, was the culmination of my master's degree coursework at the University of Maine's School of Spatial Information Science. If this field of study interests you, please consider applying to the program. If you've already matriculated, congratulations and good luck. Thank you for your time.